Again, we're working with scalar light instruments. These are scientific instruments that I've developed.
Yeah.
And with scalar light, we can assemble matter. Scalar light allows us to have consummate control over molecular forms. So with this energy, with scalar light, I can assemble vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. And what I do is I send scalar light instruction to rearrange those elements into a molecular form. A session of scalar light is made possible by way of a photograph of a person. So people send me photographs from around the world. All I need is a photograph of some part of your body, some part of your skin. A scalar light instrument will act like a satellite and will send a signal to you, so to speak, by way of your photograph. Once I make that connection with you, then I can instruct to start assembling the B complex vitamins or to assemble an antioxidant. We don't take potions or protein drinks. We don't supplement. All of this is done by way of energy, scalar light instructions. So I would say that scalar light is the perfect delivery system of a nutrient. Your health will improve.